What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $227 in 24 hours from zero. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $227 in 24 hours from zero. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And soon I'm going to give away some free money. So please do yourself a favor and hit that like button. And drop a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video and if you have any questions about this video. And also, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. All right. Before I jump into this method, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys. And also, you need to know every step so you can make $227. Please watch the video all the way to the very end. Do not skip through anything. All right, let me go ahead and get into this method. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $227 in 24 hours from zero. Let's grind and let's get it.
Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called Promo. And this website creates professional ads for you. So what you're going to be doing is creating ads for companies and individuals because there's a big demand for video ads on Facebook and Instagram. And you can charge up to $227 for one ad. And it's simple to make. It's already pre-made for you. So let's just read on this website and it'll tell you how this works. So it's the world's leading video maker. Join 1,200,000 plus professionals who grow their business with videos. So here are the partners. They have marketing partner, Facebook, Instagram partner, Getty Images, YouTube, Shutterstock. So it's a lot of big major companies that's part of this website here. So it says lead the way with videos that convert. With over 2 million marketing videos already created, our award-winning online video maker gets you noticed where it counts. With promo.com, you have everything you need to take your videos to the new heights. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to get videos here, and whatever the customer wants, you put that in the video. All you're going to be doing is really typing some words and everything because everything is already pre-made for them. And then you're going to sell that on a couple of websites that will allow you to sell this type of service to people. So let's go ahead and let me just scroll down here and just show you some things right quick. Videos that work best on Facebook. So here's the videos that work best on Facebook. Look at one right quick. So as you can see, you can customize it with it however you want. And here's great stories for Instagram. So you can put Instagram and Facebook. So you can put this in a story. And here's videos that work uh, wonderfully on desktop. So these will work on your desktop. And videos to amaze your audience Instagram feed. So you make videos for Instagram feed here. And here are some of what the customers are saying right here. I signed up. Let's see. Let me click right here. Okay, it's going by too fast, so let's just pass that up. Okay, so this is what you're going to be using to make the video. Now, I'm going to go to another site. Matter of fact, a couple of sites that we're going to use that no other YouTuber that talks about making money online has talked about. So, and this is going to be not that many people are using these websites to sell this type of service. So let me go there right now. Okay, here's the next site I'm on. You probably heard of it. I've talked about it before in my videos, which is fiverr.com. And I just want to show you how much they charge to make promo videos for individuals and companies. So I'll put in promo in the search bar right here. And let's scroll down here and see. Okay, right here, I will produce high quality animation explainer promo video. And they're charging $95. So here's one right here charging $130. Here's one $75. So it's all different types of prices here. But as you can see, you have some of them starting at $175. So you can do the same thing. You can probably charge $100 and do maybe two of them, and that'd be over $200. So you can make over $200 real quick with these promo videos because you're not doing that much work, and you can put them out here on Fiverr and compete with what they're talking about. Here's one right here. He's charging $5,000. I will make a great ad promo video. So, I mean, right there, you can definitely get his business because he's overpriced. He's overcharging. You just charge maybe $100 or something like. Here's one right here, $110. You just charge $100 and you're going to get that person's business. You're going to get that person's customer. And here's one $300. So this is a good thing for you to get into and make some real quick money and some long-lasting money, not just for one time. All right, I'm going to go to this one more site that I'm going to show you where there's no competition at all. Okay, so this website is the same as Fiverr. So people come here to buy services that they need done for their websites or for whatever project they're working on that's online. You know, if you need a logo, same as Fiverr. So I went ahead and put in promo. Let me go ahead and search for that. Okay, now here are the gigs that popped up. I will do promote your they don't guess they didn't write this correctly. I will do promote your YouTube video. So they're talking about promoting YouTube videos. And here's one that says I will create business promotional video and social media video ads. They're charging $20. So that right there, they doing it at a real cheap price. But most of these people on here are doing promotion. They're not making videos. So you can come on here and really be the go-to person that will that people will come to you for video ads. And you can easily make some good money on here also. You can easily make up to $100 on here also, because the other thing is they're talking about YouTube. They're talking about doing ads on YouTube. They're not saying it. I don't see anything on here saying anything about, and see, this is just one page. As you can see, there's no other pages. So it's not that much competition on here. So again, they're talking about YouTube, and it's nobody talking about Facebook. So you can go on here and start your service saying, I will do a video ads for Facebook and Instagram, and you can be the main one everybody goes to. So this is the method, and this is how you're going to make $227 in 24 hours using this method and using these websites.
All right, so now you know what websites you need to use to start making $227 in 24 hours. So go ahead and sign up with promo.com. Use those other websites to advertise your service, and then start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you check out the description below where it says free giveaways. Now, before you can get a free giveaway, you need to be subscribed to the channel. So after you subscribe to this channel, scroll down there, click on that link where it says free giveaways. It's going to take you to a website where you can see 3 free gifts, and that's from me to you guys. So just download those gifts. That's for yours to keep. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please, before you leave, hit that like button for me. And let's get 40 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be shown on YouTube by more potential subscribers. Because I'm trying to get to 1,500 subscribers, guys. So help me get to that next milestone, because once I get to that next milestone, I'm going to give away some free money. So guys, hit that like button for me. Also, drop a comment down below. Tell me where you guys from, so I can make sure that your country is covered when I do my making money online research. And also, if you have a question about this video, leave that in the comment section below. And please share this on the internet everywhere, on every social media platform, because I want to help everybody I can to be financially free and become their own boss, making money online. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you, Grind family. You guys are the best. You the best subscribers on YouTube. Thank you for supporting me. Keep supporting me, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content. All right, before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
This is Grind TV.